Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to my channel. My name is Cami if you are new here. If you are returning, I'm so glad you're back. So in this video, I've basically been in the house for like a week. It's still raining and crazy in LA, so the lighting might change a little bit, but I'm gonna try to do as best I can. This is going to be just a regular chatty video. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup while I talk to you guys about recent events. These recent events you will be able to relate to no matter where you live in the world. Before I get into talking a whole bunch in this video, I'm just gonna tell you the first few products I'm going to put on my face. Everything I mention is going to be linked down below in the description box, so if you're interested in it, you can click that link and check it out further. So this first product is my moisturizer for the day. This is the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream Moisturizer. This is about $60 at Sephora. Depending on what time you buy it, you might be able to get like a discount if it's that time at Sephora. It's super creamy. It's for all skin types. I substitute it with more affordable drugstore moisturizers just so I don't use this one up too fast. This is the KYPRIS Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum, and I have oily skin and I don't have a problem with the natural looking glow that this gives, so I really recommend this for all skin types. Right now it's the week of March 16th, 2020, and yeah, a lot of people are just not feeling well at the time. It's pretty weird. I've been texting my friends and they're just texting me, seeing how I am and vice versa, and yeah, the whole isolation thing can be pretty isolating if you have no one to talk to. This next product is tried and true. I've been using it for months and months and months. It's a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Spray. This is the coconut one. Truthfully, I prefer the cucumber smelling one. It just smells so fresh. Okay, so now that my face is prepped and primed and all that stuff, I'm gonna zoom in and we're gonna focus on the eyes first. Okay, so lately I've really been loving the Jackie Aina and ABH palette. Their collaboration is just fire. I've used it in a couple of videos that I just posted this month, so I'm gonna go ahead and link those down below and up here in a card for you too, so you can click to it if you're interested in how I'm enjoying that palette. Another palette that is really awesome, and I wish I could use it but it's not mine. And why am I saying that? I have it. It's this one right here. This is a blush palette. These are by Wet n Wild. I love the Wet n Wild eye palettes. You get 10 colors in one. I'm actually doing a giveaway right now where you can get these two items if you win. Yes, I'm actually doing a giveaway with these right now. It's my Wet n Wild giveaway. I posted a couple of videos about it on my other channel, but I'm gonna link the link to that giveaway, and it's going to be down below in the description bar. So if you're interested in entering that giveaway, go ahead and click the link down below. All right, so we are ready to go ahead and do my eyes. I need to prime them. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal, the peach color concealer, but yeah, I don't really know wherever else I would use this on my face nowadays. I used to use it to like conceal blemishes and stuff, but it's just not the right color, I don't think, to actually conceal anything. I thought it was working, but today I wouldn't think that it's working to cover like this blemish or something like that. Like I should definitely be using like green because my blemishes are mostly like fiery red. I'm breaking out right now too. I think I'm just stressed over the times actually. A lot of my brushes really actually need to get cleaned, so I'm probably going to be doing that while I'm staying home. If you haven't been to my other channel, oh my goodness, you should definitely go to my other channel, see what's going on there, because I mean, I love this channel, but on that channel, like, this is not the right brush. Oh no, I did all of that. It's just so small, like I can use it, but it's so small. And don't worry, the other side does not have this green on it. It's just basically nude like that. But this brush is so small. Why did I choose this one? Oh my gosh, that's gonna take forever. But it does seem like I have a lot to say, doesn't it? So forever doesn't matter that much. Yeah, I made a video go live on my other channel, check that out. And also laundry, but I only did like one load and it's 5 o'clock. What did I do? I prepped dinner. To be honest, like these are all normal things that I do on a regular basis, so I guess trying to stay inside much more isn't really making too much of a difference for me. I guess I'm just trying to see like the benefit is I could do more, but today I really just didn't actually do more. But truthfully, on a regular day when I don't like, you know, have to think about being away from other people as much, sometimes even then I don't get to prep dinner as much as I did today. Issue with prepping dinner is always like, okay, so the item that could take the longest to prepare is usually the protein item, and making sure to thaw it out, like to take it out of the freezer. I'm doing a good job holding this up, showing you, right? Making sure to thaw it out and take it out of the freezer or something. Sometimes even that goes by the wayside on a regular day. But today I was able to do it, so. Or did my husband do it? I don't know. Which one of us did it? Was it you?
Both of us did it.
Huh?
We both did it.
We both took out the meat at the same time?
No, I took it out, you marinated it.
Oh, he took it out and I marinated it. He's working from home, thank goodness, right? So he's on his computer right over there. We're in our workspace. But yeah, so we were able to tag team and get that done. But on a regular day, like I'm saying, when we're not trying to like stay in and stuff, it's hard to even do that. I guess because I take it upon myself to get even more done. Like I leave the house, I go shopping for things we need, I see family or whatever. There's that transition color here, and I'm gonna use this one here. Have I ever used this? Yeah, I used it one time in that other look. And I'm just gonna take this and try to make a crease for myself. I have all the TikTok songs in my head. Someone help me. As fast as I can swipe and hear a new song and watch a new video, sitting here right now doing my makeup, I'm humming TikTok songs, and that's as fast as I switch songs. Like I'll hum something and then I'll think about something else. But I love it. I love TikTok. You guys should definitely follow me on TikTok. My handle is CamisCosmetics. It's the same handle that I have for Instagram and for this channel. So this is part 1 of this video. I hope you guys tune in tomorrow for part 2. That's gonna be exciting, so I'm gonna be doing the skin part. I don't know why I was using a pencil brush. I'm definitely gonna clean my brushes soon. I mean, being at home in, you know, self-isolation gives you more time to do stuff like that. So that is definitely happening ASAP. Is that gonna be weird if I use this? Okay, so I sprayed my brush and that made it very pigmented. I have more brushes, like I have new ones. Like why don't I use them? These colors blend kind of nicely. They're not like hard to use. It looks like a soft black from like far away. You guys, I've been forgetting to do shout outs and I don't like it. The shout outs come from when you guys leave comments in my videos. I love to like connect with you and let you know that I see you and I read all of your comments. So this shout out comes from Legaspi Jocelyn, and Legaspi says, "Hi Cami, I'm 19 years old from Philippines. More makeup vlogs. I'm not here just for myself, I'm here for you. So go ahead and comment down below which specific types of makeup videos do you want to see. Do you want to see me talk about my favorites? Do you want to see me do specific foundation wear tests? Go ahead and write down below. Let me go ahead and put my brows on so I can see like what I want to do with my eyes. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Black Brown Pomade. I've been using this so much on Instagram. If you guys haven't seen me on Instagram, I'm gonna go ahead and link that. So this is like perfect for me. I didn't ever think that I was gonna become someone who loved a pomade, maybe more than a pencil, but you guys, this Maybelline pomade, I love the way I'm able to create like an arch with it. So I'm just gonna take it. It's kind of thick on the tip, so I'm not going to use all of this that I put on here on this one brow. I'm going to disperse it. Woo, nice. What I need to make sure to do, like with the whole pomade fine line stick, is make sure I don't bring the tail too far down, because that would defeat the whole purpose of what I was trying to do in my eyebrow video. And I'll link my eyebrow video down below. I'm linking a lot of videos today, but I want you guys to be like up to date on what I'm doing. If you're watching me, I have an eyebrow video that I did. I was using a pencil and a gel, and what I did was I went ahead and tweezed my brows so that I would have more space down here. So for lid color, I'm taking the Stop Playing It Safe palette. All right, so I'm just going to dab that on the lid, and you see how it added color? You don't want something like that to happen with a color that's like too dark for you from the beginning. So right now I'm gonna take this brown eyeliner by Sephora. This is the retractable eyeliner. So I've got this thick brown lash line, and then I'm doing the same thing on the bottom. I really love the way the brown looks around my eyes. It's not as stark as using black. So for mascara, we're gonna use my new favorite, and this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I probably shouldn't have put mascara on my bottom lashes until I did my face, because obviously you guys know I'm gonna put some makeup on my face, but like it could get in the way of my lashes. So for the bonus giveaway question for this video, again, I just want to know how you guys are doing. It's not a question, just write in the comments if you feel comfortable telling me how you're handling isolation. I used this concealer to prime my eyelids. Whoa, color difference. Okay, so now let's put on the lashes. It's like so overcast outside, like I'm sitting right in front of the window. My neighbor dog, say hello. I'm sitting right in front of the window, and although I have my lights on, like it's a little bit dark in here. So I'm sorry you guys, but just working with what I have. All right, so I'm gonna let these adhere and dry, and then I'm gonna use my eyelash curler to make them even more dramatic. This is part 1 for this makeup look. I hope you guys will tune in to part 2, which is coming out tomorrow. Let me know if you guys like the format of this video. I just think it'll be fun to see each other 2 days in a row, so to speak. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a good night. So don't forget to answer the giveaway question, the bonus giveaway question down below if you're interested in entering the giveaway. Again, I'm gonna link to the giveaway video down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you. Bye.